Have you ever went through a situation where your phone's battery died when you most need it? Well, Genie is a battery bracelet with an easily detachable connector, so you can always reach it quickly. Since its cable is thin and flexible, it can be wrapped around the magnetic clasp to keep it from getting on your way. To check how much charge is left on your Genie, wrap the clasp like you would do with a magical lamp. Lights will blink 3 times, indicating the percentage. Charging has never been easier, since it converts your movements in energy. Finally, trust Genie to realize your desire for a fully charged day.